Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. Today I will discuss about some previous year questions which is asked on the Eapcet examinations. These questions are given from the differential equations. Before going that, we will discuss the what is the logarithmic differentiation. What is the logarithmic differentiation? If we have y equal to f of x whole power g of x, where f of x greater than 0. Where f of x is greater than 0. Now we find out the differentiation of y function. Now we apply the logarithmic function on both sides, where log y equal to log f of x whole power g of x. Log a whole power b equal to b log a. That is log y equal to g of x log f of x. Here my function is log y equal to g of x log f of x. Now we differentiation with respect to the x on both sides. That is 1 by y dy by dx, that equal to g of x 1 by f of x plus log f of x g dash of x. Where dy by dx equal to y whole power g of x 1 by f of x plus log f of x g dash of x. Now dy by dx equal to, what is the value of y? Value of y equal to f of x whole power g of x into g of x 1 by f of x plus log f of x g dash of x. This is the formula for we find out the differentiation of f of x whole power g of x equal to f of x whole power g of x 1 by f of x plus log g of x g dash of x. Sorry, no, here not log g of x, f of x g dash of x. See the first question. The first question is d by dx of square root of cos root x. Put cos root x equal to x. We know the differentiation of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x. That is 1 by square root of cos root x. Again differentiation of cos root x. 1 by 2 root of cos root x. What is the differentiation of cos x minus sin x? Here we have root x. So again we differentiation with root x. 1 by 2 root cos root x minus sin root x equal to what is the differentiation of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root of x. That equal to minus sin root x by 4 root x cos square root of cos root x. Now check the options. What is the first option? First option is cos root x by wrong answer. Here second option is we don't have the minus. In fourth option we have the minus. So our option, correct option is 4. 4 is our right answer. Now move the next question. The next question is d by dx of log of secant x plus tan x, modulus of secant x plus tan x. Now we find out the differentiation of this function. What is the differentiation of log x? We know already differentiation of log x is secant x plus 1 by x, that is secant x plus tan x. Okay, again we differentiation secant x plus tan x. That is, we know already differentiation of secant x is secant x plus secant x tan x. We know what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x divided by secant x plus tan x. That is, we take the common secant x, that is tan x plus secant x. Secant x plus tan x. Here we cancel the numerator secant x plus tan x, denominator secant x plus tan x. The remaining function is secant x. This is our final answer. Now we check the options. Option 1 is our right answer. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe. The next question is differentiation of d by dx of 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 1. This is the given function. Now we find out the differentiation of this function. My function is 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 1. Now we use the which formula we use? U by v formula we can use. We can choose the u by v formula. What is that u by v formula? U by v equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. This is our formula. Now we proceed this formula. That is we take the constant of denominator function 3x plus 1 with differentiation numerator function, that is 2, minus now we take the numerator function is constant, that is 2x minus 3 with differentiation the denominator function 3 divided by 3x plus 1, that is 2 3s are 6x plus 2 minus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 3x plus 1, that equal to here 6x is cancelled, where 11 by 3x plus 1, 11 by 3x plus 1. Now we check the options. Option 2 is our right answer. The next question is log of log x. Log x. We know already what is the differentiation of log x. Log x 1 by x. That is 1 by log of log x. D by dx of log x. Okay. 1 by log of log x, that is 1 by x, 1 by log x. Again differentiation of log x, that is 1 by log of log x, 1 by log x, 1 by x. This is our final answer. That is 1 by x log of log x into log x. Now check the options. Option 1 is x log x, log of log x. Option 1 is right answer. The next question is, if y equal to 2 power 2x, then find the dy by dx. Then find the dy by dx. Here we use the one formula, that is the a power x, differentiation of a power x. Here y equal to a power x, where dy by dx equal to a power x log a. Log a. Now we use this formula to find out the differentiation of this y function. Now what dy by dx equal to 2 power 2x log 2 again differentiation of 2 power 2x. A 2 power 2x, a log 2, what is the differentiation of this function? This function looks like as this function. Okay, 2 power x, that is 2 power x log 2. Now here what is this function? This is denoted by y. 2 power 2x is denoted by y. Now we replaced by this function by y, that is log 2 2 power x log 2, where y 2 power x log 2 whole square. Okay, this is our final answer. Now we check the options. Y log 10 2 whole square. Here we have 2 power x. Option 1 don't have 2 power x. So option 1 is wrong answer. Option 2 don't have 2 power x. So option 2 is also wrong answer. The option 3 have 2 power x. So y 2 power x log e 2 whole square is our final answer. The next question is derivative of e power sine inverse x. Sine inverse of x. Derivative of e power sine inverse of x. What is the differentiation of e power x? E power x differentiation is e power x sine inverse of x. D by dx of sine inverse of x. That is e power sine inverse of x The differentiation of sin inverse of x 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is our final answer. Now we check the options. E power sin inverse of x by 1 minus x square. Option 1 is our final answer. The next question is, if you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. The next question is, if f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by x and g of x equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by f of x. Now we find out the differentiation of g dash of 2. Then we find out the g dash of 2. What is the value of g dash of 2? F of x equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x, that is x by x plus 1. My f of x function is x by x plus 1. X by x plus 1. Now substitute these f of x function is in g of x. That is where g of x equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. That is where g of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by x. That is x by 2x plus 1. This is our g of x function, x by 2x plus 1. Now we find out the differentiation of this function. Differentiation of x is 1 minus x 2x plus 1 differentiation is 2 divided by 2x plus 1 whole square. That equal to 2x plus 2x plus 2x minus 1, 2x minus 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square. Here 2x is cancelled. Here 1 by 2x plus 1 whole square. This is my g dash of x. Now we substitute the x equal to 2. That is 1 by 2 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 whole square. That is 1 by 25. This is our final answer. This is very easy concept. So please try to understand. Now check the options. 1 by 5. Option 1 is 1 by 5. Option 2 is 1 by 25 is our final answer. I hope this video is clear for all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. If you have any doubts on formulas, please go back and see my videos. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all.